If you want to go ahead and make specific changes to the layout of the form, then what you can actually do is utilize the Form Advanced Designer as well. So to do that, you can go around over here onto the Form Designer, and here you can see that Advanced Designer is an option. So this is only available for the classic form that you see right here. So if I were to go ahead onto the Advanced Designer, then you can see that the Advanced Form Designer opens up, where you can go ahead and select out color scheme as you want right here, change around the background color as you want, and change around the frame color right here, just like this as well. You can even go ahead and change around the input color, as you can see right here, just like this, and change around the text color as you want as well, just like this. Apart from that, you can also simulate the error state right here, and then change around the color for it as well, just like this. So you can see that these are the error styles right here, and this is all in the color scheme. You can go ahead and then simulate the highlight as well, and change around the highlight color as you want right here, just like this as well, and select it out. Apart from that, you got the background image, as you can see. So you can go ahead and then upload out an image from over here and make it fixed or whatever you want. So I'm just going to go around over here, and then let's say, for example, choose an image from the gallery right here, and that particular background image is there. You can go ahead and make it fixed or make it just the cover page or repeat it out as you want as well. You even have the form background, as you can see right here. So you can go ahead and choose, let's say, for example, one from the gallery, and that is what you have. So you can see that you can actually go ahead and make changes to it in a very detailed level. Let me just go ahead and then remove the background for the form right here, and then go for form layout. You can see that you can change the pixel width right here. So you can say something like 900 pixels as well right here. And you can add in vertical padding right here and horizontal padding as you want as well. And change around the input fields right here, just like this as well. So let's say, for example, you can go ahead and type in whatever you want right here, just like this. You can change around the corners to rounded and so forth right here, just like this as well. So you can go for flat or rounded corners right here, and enable the form column right here, just like this as well, and change around the number of columns that you can have in a form to 3 as well. You even have the form logo, and you can see that you can go ahead and change it out right here as you want, change out the height and so forth right here, just like this. So you can go ahead and change around the height and everything, and then change around the aspect ratio right here as well. So let's say, for example, you can go ahead and type in 300 right here, just like this, and the size will change out accordingly right here. Apart from that, you even have the form size option right here, and the label location as well, and the spacing of the label as well, and even the line layout. So you can go ahead and change around the size of the padding as well. So let's just go around over here onto, let's say, for example, the form logo right here, and I'm simply going to go ahead and then keep the aspect ratio right here, just like this. And then for the color scheme, let's just go ahead and choose, let's say, a good color scheme right here, just like this, and this is what you have. If you want to go ahead and make more specific changes, you even have a CSS section right here, where you can type in the CSS code if you know how as well. So once that is done and you want to save it out, you can go around over here and click on Save Changes right here, just like this. And the form right here will be changed. So once that is changed, you can go back to the builder right here, just like this. And then you can see the changes right here in the form, just like this as well. So you can go ahead and then start editing out the form over here in the regular view as you want as well. And your form will look as per the changes that you made in the advanced editor, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize the Form Advanced Designer inside of Jotform. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.